Overnight we saw a very quiet night on global markets. It seems recently we've had a bit of a change up in economic data and things have entered somewhat of a slow period after the major events earlier February when Greece got a refinance approved by the European Central Bank. Overnight we saw the Dow Jones only up slightly as consumer confidence was said to improve to its highest level since February last year. This is seen as a key reading for the US, as the fact is that around 2/3 of economic activity is derived from consumer expenditure in the world's largest nation. For this data, it seems that it is supporting the hypothesis that the world's largest economy is gradually getting back on track and posing quite good economic growth at present. Over in Europe, things were also reasonably muted as investors waited to see whether banks would uptake another €500 billion in cheap 3-year loans to banks over there. All in all, it was a very quiet night. Farmers around New Zealand will be happy to see that overnight our currency traded down against most major trading partners. The New Zealand dollar is now trading around 83.50 against the US dollar, around 77.70 against the Aussie, and around 52.60 against the Great British Pound. This will help hold our agricultural commodity prices up in New Zealand dollar terms over the short term at least. Looking overseas, the Dow Jones has had a very good start to 2012. The Dow Jones is now trading around 1300 level. This is a level that has not been seen since mid-2008 when we saw the emergence of the global economic crisis. Also supporting global markets at the moment was the fact that European consumer confidence has started to pick up recently. This has been largely driven by Germany, which is the largest European nation. However, many analysts are expecting that there may be a short-term reversal in global economic indices. This is due to the fact that volumes, especially in the US, have been incredibly light, particularly over the last month, with about 1 billion less shares traded than this time last year. And this is an indication that many investors may be being quite cautious about buying further shares at these very high levels.